What's up, guys? I'm the Honorary One, and behind the camera is the Honorary Squad, and you're watching the Honorary One on YouTube, where we share our life on two wheels and our adventure across this great nation of ours. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. Give us a thumbs up if you're liking the videos. Tap that bell so you'll know when we release a new video. All right, now, let's get to it. All right, guys, I want to take this moment because this morning we're leaving Amarillo to head to Durango. So Amarillo, Texas to Durango, Colorado. And riding here is where, for me, the scenery starts to change. So the skyline becomes red and flat-top mountains. We're running this world record poker run, so you'll see a bunch of us out in front of us here running these kind of back roads. But I just kind of wanted to show off this view of what we're seeing right now and how the land lays here in Amarillo. And like I said, this is where everything begins to change for me as far as food and as far as scenery and as far as even the people. You start seeing a shift in geographic and then also the culture. Real quickly, showing this off right here. Like I said, we're heading toward Durango.
We always talk about what we buy at the grocery store and stuff like that, or at the gas station. And stuff
so this is crazy. Oh, sorry.
Okay,
I'm excited.
Go ahead.
So Steph said, here's my stuff, pay for it when you get gas. I said, okay, sure. And it was a protein bar and a drink, coffee drink. Got up there and the lady goes, well, I have to see your ID. And I'm like, what? She goes, that's CBD bar. And I'm like, what the hell? I've never seen it. So I had to show the ID for this. Steph. You'll be feeling good.
Sneaky, sneaky.
I'm back at the motorcycle.
I'm going to have a good ride.
We've got John Price up here riding a new Pan American. And then we got Flip NA right here busting down the road in the street glide. I believe this is the first time for him to really cut across the country. So he is taking in a lot of new stuff. We're going to end up in Sturgis together, and then Steph and I, you guys know, are going to ride the coast down to California to Born Free, and Flip is going to be there as well. So this is a pretty cool moment. We're just riding with them and seeing Flip taking in all the new stuff. Flip, I hope you're enjoying it, buddy. I know I've enjoyed meeting you and hanging out with you. Definitely a cool cat. If you guys have not checked out Flip's YouTube channel, go check that out. He's got Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So go check out Mr. Flip.
Where are we at?
I have no idea.
Somewhere.
Yes.
What is Springer? And we're in New Mexico?
New Mexico.
Hey, are we in New Mexico?
We're in New Mexico.
New Mexico.
Oh, I have him looking at you.
Oh, yeah, we are in New Mexico.
He didn't get to go, though. Yep, New Mexico. We'll pass it a little bit.
So day 5, we're in Springer, New Mexico.
Day 5, Springer, New Mexico, heading to...
We're in New Mexico?
Yeah, we're in New Mexico.
There was a sign back there you could have
You
stopped.
couldn't
and
hardly
took a
see
picture.
it.
Yeah,
People were
that's where
standing
that
in
car
front
was
of it.
stopped
keep
on the
missing
side of the road.
states.
And they were standing there by the sign.
So we're heading for Durango. We're probably, what, 300 miles away from Durango?
I know it's about 5.5 hours.
Yeah, getting close. We've done good.
Because my app's not working.
We've covered some ground this morning. I think we left, when did y'all leave, 7:30?
About 7:30ish, yeah.
Okay, well, you ready to load up?
Wow. That just came out of nowhere too.
I knew it was coming up, but I completely forgot about it. So, yeah, this is the Rio Grande Gorge Bridge right
Oh,
here.
holy crap, man. This is amazing.
Wow. I mean,
Now it just keeps getting deeper. You think that's deep? Nope, nope. You're not. Now, there you go. Holy canal.
I wonder if anyone has ever floated that.
That's a deep V. I don't know, man. I don't know how deep that is. I'd like to see it really up too. Holy cow.
That is nature's vagina right there.
Yes. She's got one. That's it.
She's got a deep, wet one.
Wow. We had to turn around on that one and go back.
Yeah, I was not expecting it to be right there already, and like, yeah.
Oh man. How cool is that, guys? So we're still in New Mexico. I'm not sure how close we are to Colorado, but we're making our way up. Yep. A lot of rain over there, Mama.
Very, very fun. Pretty, such a pretty area.
Yeah, so I mean, this really is about getting out and escaping. This is a prime example of getting out and seeing something you wouldn't normally see. Right? And you can stop there and walk across and get some pictures. But that was good.
Absolutely love it.
I love it. Welcome to the Great Escape. Check out these houses and stuff. Isn't this crazy?
They're art pieces.
Art pieces. Oh wow.
Well, I mean they're houses, but it's like it's Earthship biotech.
So cool. Man. It's so different here than home. We're from the Ozarks, and like I said earlier, leaving Amarillo, getting up into New Mexico, everything starts changing. And this is not a home now. We're not in Kansas anymore, Toto.
I mean, they're just like little prairie dogs out there. So this is actually hail. That we're getting right now.
All right, guys, we are rolling in Durango. How many miles we have today, hon?
I think it was right at 500.
Okay, well, I'm going to tell you, we had a lot of weather. Got down to about 52, 54 degrees, had sleet, hellish stuff coming through New Mexico into Colorado, really tight corners, a lot of no lines in the road. You know, it got really cold, so yeah, he's been riding with us right here, and he didn't know we're recording. But anyway, we've had all kinds of weather today. Right now it's 77 degrees. Today it got up to about 82, 3. Great day. I got a little bad news though. We were about 100 miles out, and I don't know how far, probably 2 or 2.5 back from us. Our honorary ass member, one of our honorary ass members, Buck Champ, went down. He is okay. They're checking him out, doing some scans. This is the update that we have of right now. So, this our 4th day, hon, of the poker run?
This is the 5th day of the poker run, the 14th day of the Great Escape.
Okay. All right. So, you have to forgive me, the days are running into each other, and I'm super excited to be here in Durango. We've been here before, and we just absolutely love it. If you guys have not been to Durango, you definitely want to pin that on your map, because you just look around. Amazing ride in. Oh my gosh. Loved it. Steph, what did you think about it?
I really did like it. Going through the national forests, I love that. It's so pretty. We went through like 3 different ones. The last one, I believe it was Carson National Park, and pretty, but that's where we got the really heavy weather, a lot of rain and some hail. Hard to see. Of course, my visor was fogging up, and I'm sure that you guys could see that. I was recording from time to time. We got a little bit of hail. I think without that, I would have enjoyed it even more, of course, but it's super pretty, and it's got a lot of sightseeing, a lot of different attractions. You can...
Absolutely. I just pointed right there when Steph was talking. That was Durango Harley Davidson right there, just past it on the right. A neat little dealership, don't you think, sweet?
Yeah, definitely. And, of course, the river is running right through there, behind all of them right there. Durango Harley Davidson has a cool little setup with a porch type deck off the back of it that's overlooking the river. It's just a really cool. If you're in this area, definitely check out Durango HD.
Oh, absolutely, guys. They were just really good to us when we were there last, and they still are.
Yes.
All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much going to close up today. We're going to get to the room, get checked in, go grab something to eat, and have a drink, and I'm sure Steph will get to work on whatever she can on the,
Yeah, so we have $1 Million Saloon here in Durango that is hosting tonight. Lots of food and drinks I'm sure is going to be had. I'm excited to meet John Oakes, who's with $1 Million Saloon. We've kind of chatted back and forth on the social media and stuff like that, and so it'd be nice to meet him and check out what they've got going on. So, yes, ending day 5, riding into Durango. Tomorrow is a whole new day as we venture on up closer to the Buffalo Chip.
That's right. We were going to ride the $1 Million Highway, but it looks like we've had a landslide, mudslide, rock slide, so we are not going to be able to travel that. We're going to be rerouted. We don't know what that is as of yet. I'm sure we'll throw some footage up of us being hanging out tonight a little bit as well.
Yes, for sure. All right, guys. Like, what do you always say?
All right. Thanks for tuning in and chiming in. Until we see you next time, y'all stay ornery.